Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sukhmeet Bedi and today I'll be discussing the topic prostaglandins and its related compounds. The prostaglandin and its related compounds that are prostacyclins, thromboxanes and leukotrienes, they are collectively known as icosanoids. Now these icosanoids, they are locally acting hormones with a wide range of biochemical functions. Prostaglandins are named as PG plus a third letter E, F, A or D, which corresponds to the type and the arrangement of the functional group in the molecule, and a subscript which indicates the number of the double bonds. Now these prostaglandins, they are synthesized from the arachidonic acid. We'll talk about their synthesis now. The arachidonic acid is a precursor for most of the prostaglandins. In the first step, there is release of arachidonic acid from the membrane-bound phospholipids in the presence of enzyme phospholipase A2. Then in second step, the oxidation and the cyclization of arachidonic acid occurs, leading to the formation of PGG2. Now this PGG2 is converted to PGH2 in the presence of enzyme peroxidase. This PGH2 is a precursor for the number of prostaglandins, including thromboxanes and prostacyclins. Now inhibition of this prostaglandin synthesis. First of all is the corticosteroids like cortisol. They inhibit the enzyme phospholipase A2, thereby inhibiting the formation of prostaglandins. NSAIDs inhibit the enzyme cyclooxygenase, thereby inhibiting the formation of the prostaglandins. Then are the biochemical actions of the prostaglandins. Now first one is the regulation of the blood pressure. The prostaglandins like PGE, PGA and PGE2, they are vasodilator in action and therefore there is reduce the blood pressure. So these prostaglandins which reduce the blood pressure, they are helpful in the treatment of hypertension. Now second action is inflammation. The prostaglandins PGE1 and PGE2, what do? They induce the inflammation. So now the corticosteroids, they are usually used to treat this inflammation by inhibiting the prostaglandin synthesis. Third biological action is reproduction. Now PGE2 and PGF2, they are used for medical termination of pregnancy as well as induction of labor. Next biological function is they play a role in pain and fever. Now pyrogens are the chemicals which raise the body temperature. That is, they are the fever inducing agents. They promote the prostaglandin synthesis, leading to formation of PGE2 in the hypothalamus, which is this hypothalamus is the site of regulation of the body temperature. The PGE2 along with bradykinin and the histamine, what do? They cause pain. The cause for migraine is increased PGE2 levels. And aspirin and other non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs or NSAIDs, what do? They inhibit the prostaglandin synthesis and thus they control the fever and the pain. Next biological function is prevention of the gastric ulcer. Now these prostaglandins, they play an important role in the treatment of the gastric ulcer. It is used in prevention as well as treatment of the gastric ulcers. The next is effect on the respiratory function. Now these prostaglandin E, it is a bronchodilator, whereas PGF is a constrictor of the smooth muscles. So PGE1 and PGE2, they are used in the treatment of asthma. Then is the influence on the renal function. Now PGE, it increases the glomerular filtration rate and thereby promotes the urine output. And it also increases the excretion of sodium and potassium. Next biological function is platelet aggregation and thrombosis. The prostaglandins, namely the prostacyclins, they inhibit the platelet aggregation, whereas the thromboxane A2 and PGE2, they promote the platelet aggregation and blood clotting. The thromboxane A2 and PGE1, they promote platelet aggregation, and PGE2, it inhibits the platelet aggregation. So when we sum up, the inhibitors of prostaglandins, they are used in controlling pain, fever and inflammation and even migraine. That's all about the prostaglandins and their related compounds. I hope this topic is clear to all of you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel so that you can complete the course of biochemistry with me. Thank you. Have a nice day.